guys, we're back with another video. Here we're presenting to you a beautiful set of kanchi tissues in golds and silver which are perfect for your Dasara and Navratri. So here you can see this really gorgeous gold kanchi tissue fabric. Now this is perfect to create any kind of outfits this festive season, especially for anything for Dasara or Diwali. This would be perfect because you can take a look at the embroidery work. It's beautiful thread embroidery work in nice shades of peach, turquoise and many more pastel colors, and it's quite minimal, so it would be perfect to create a menswear outfit, or even if you want to create a kidswear outfit, something traditional and modern, this kanchi tissue fabric would be perfect. Now the second kanchi tissue that you see is another gold metallic kanchi tissue, and it's very gorgeous. You can take a look at the orange shades of cross stitch embroidery in big floral work that has been done across this fabric, giving it a really heavy and beautiful look. Now if you want to recreate this into a gorgeous dress for yourself or a lehenga for this festive season, these orange and gold shades would look just amazing on you. And if you guys want to see more of our collection, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Now previously I had shown you a pastel shade gold kanchi tissue. Now this is also quite similar. You've got beautiful shades of pinks and yellow, and the gold kanchi tissue as the base color makes it look really gorgeous and pops out. Now this would be perfect to create any kind of women's wear outfit. You could create a beautiful A-line kurta or a gorgeous lehenga for yourself and it would look just perfect on you. You could pair it off with a nice Banarsi or kanchi, and we've got all kinds of fabric collection here at Fabric by Singhania. So if you want to look more into it, you can follow us on our social media handles too. Now previously I had shown you a pastel shade gold kanchi tissue. Now this is also quite similar. You've got beautiful shades of pinks and yellow, and the gold kanchi tissue as the base color makes it look really gorgeous and pops out. Now this would be perfect to create any kind of women's wear outfit. You could create a beautiful A-line kurta or a gorgeous lehenga for yourself and it would look just perfect on you. You could pair it off with a nice Banarsi or kanchi, and we've got all kinds of fabric collection here at Fabric by Singhania. So if you want to look more into it, you can follow us on our social media handles too. Now this gold kanchi that you see here is a little bit more faded, but you can see all of the pop of colors that have been done through the cross stitch embroidery, and it's a beautiful Paithni design. Now this would be perfect to create any kind of menswear outfits, kidswear outfits, or even an outfit for yourself. If you're looking for some nice pairing matching outfits for your family, this kind of gold kanchi tissue would look perfect, and we've got nice golds and silvers. Right now we're showing you our beautiful gold collection. We're also going to be showing you our silver kanchi tissue collection. Now as you take a look at this gold kanchi, this is our final kanchi tissue that I'm presenting in front of you. Now you can take a look at the thread embroidery and the zari work that has been done. The combination of both this embroidery makes it look very regal and traditional. Now this would be perfect to create a nice waistcoat, a sherwani, a kurta for menswear too. If you're looking for some nice outfit inspo for Diwali, these kind of fabrics would be perfectly customizable, especially these gold kanchi tissues. Now we're off to these beautiful silver kanchi tissues that we've got here. Now kanchi and tissue is a beautiful combination of both traditional and modern, and as you take a look at these vibrant embroidery work in nice cross stitch in beautiful Paithni design, it's just perfect to create any kind of blouse pieces for your lehengas or for your saris as well. You can easily pair it off with any of the colors that you see on the body. It's got really vibrant shades which gives a pop of color to this nice base tone of silver color. So we've got so many more such silver kanchi tissues at Banjara Hills Road number 1 that you should come visit. So now here you can see this really beautiful silver kanchi tissue fabric in front of you again. Now you can see that there's got unique embroidery work done in beautiful colors of pastel shades, and you've also got this really vibrant orange and blue tones to it. You can see that there's nice floral work done all over this fabric and nice peacock embroidery too. Now this is the perfect inspired Paithni detailing that has been done on this kanchi tissue fabric, making it look really vibrant and different. Now if you want to create any kind of kidswear outfits for your son or for your daughter, these kind of fabrics would look perfect to customize into a nice kurta or a small little lehenga as well. So if you guys want to know more about our customizations, you can comment below and our assistants will help you with the customization and how much fabric you'll be requiring. Now here you can see another silver kanchi tissue in front of you. It's got this nice undertone of a brown shade too. Now this would be perfect to recreate into a nice menswear kurta or a waistcoat. The best part about it is the Paithni inspired design that you see across it in beautiful cross stitch embroidery. It's got nice shades of peach, blue and yellow which makes it look really beautiful. Now you can customize this into anything that you like, and we've got the perfect set of collection in our silver and gold kanchi tissue. So if you guys want to see more of this collection, you can also follow us on our social social media pages, Fabric by Singhanias. Now here you can see another cross-stitch embroidery in front of you. Again, a beautiful silver kanchi tissue, and you can take a look at the beautiful colors of blues and yellows and nice bird embroidery too all across this fabric. Now this is perfect to customize into a nice menswear outfit or a women's wear outfit. You can create nice kurtis, suit sets, and even a beautiful menswear kurti. Now here you can see this beautiful pastel embroidery. Now this too is in nice cross-stitch embroidery and all over the silver kanchi tissue. It looks just perfect, and the shades of pinks and greens makes it look even more beautiful. Now this would be perfect to recreate into a nice dress for your kids wear or for yourself. You can customize this into beautiful traditional outfits and modern outfits. It's quite versatile and it's perfect to create any outfit you have in mind. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like, comment below for any details, and subscribe to our channel. If you want to see more of our collection, you can visit our website or follow us on our social media page. And if you want to see more of the collection and other outfits, you can come visit Banjara Hills Road number 1.